Qlik makes it really easy to connect to data and do data differently. It's been a game changer. Bystronic was founded in '86, and we build laser cutting and bending machines for sheet metal production. We serve multiple industries: agricultural, machinery, car manufacturers, aeroplane industry, and we export globally. We have 500 users, we have 65 applications running in 30 streams, and we're getting constant requests for new reports, so self-service and time is a factor in a global operation. Qlik Analytics makes it so much faster, having access to global data on a global scale. You can connect anything to it, it's easy to use, it is self-service, you can roll it out to people easily, it's easy to maintain, it runs itself. And for Bystronic, it's just a go-to tool. It helps us getting the data where it's needed. Also, happier employees get what they need on a daily basis themselves without having to wait for somebody to prepare that report at the end of the month. I got access to Qlik Answers as a luminary tenant, and we saw the potential immediately. We finally got our own Bystronic Qlik Answers. We connected to SharePoint, and within 15 minutes you had your chatbot running, and people were already impressed with what they saw. It's the speed of finding information in unstructured data and making sure it's already indexed and highlighted where the data is coming from. Next up for us is definitely the transition to the cloud. The potential for using Qlik Talent Cloud is instead of delta loads once per day in a batch format, you can load it multiple times and prepare financial data, for instance, multiple times a day. Qlik gives me 100% confidence that I can totally fulfill my role and I can build anything for everybody within the company to their needs.